Today we're going to be talking about the multi-view drawing cardboard cutout. Now to start off, we're going to create a basic design and then later on add all the notches. That will be done in the second video. To start, you're going to click on File, New, and make sure you have letter size, and you want to make sure the orientation is landscape as well as units are in inches. Then click OK. Now we're going to be learning how to add the grid on there. So go up to View, go down to Snap to Grid. You can also go to View, Show Grid. And now as we start to draw all of our stuff, you're going to notice that it snaps to each individual grid spot. All right, to start off, we're going to be using the rectangle tool. So click on your rectangle tool and click at any intersection on here. So I'm just going to click once. Once you click it, you can actually add the size that you want. So for this particular size, you want it to be 3.125 is the width, and the height you want to be 4 inches based on your drawing. Now we're going to do the side view. We're going to click once. You want the height to stay the same, but now the width is 1 inch. And finally, the top view, we're going to click once. We want the height to be 1 inch, and the width now is going to be the 3.125. So we have our basic rectangles. Now in order to move a rectangle, you're just going to use your black arrow or your black selection tool. You can just grab it and move it. And you want to make sure that they are lined up with each other so you can see how each of them are lined up with each view. Now finally today we're going to be adding our partial circles, which is our ellipse. So hold down the rectangle tool and go down to ellipse, and you can click anywhere on your page. We want the width to be 1 and the height to be 1, and click OK. And once again we're going to use our black arrow tool, grab it, move it to where we want, and now we can actually shrink the rectangle behind it by clicking on it and kind of grabbing it to make it halfway through that circle. Now we want to add this Pathfinder tool. And the Pathfinder tool is under Window, and go down to Pathfinder, click on it, and it will appear over here somewhere on your screen. Now we're going to be uniting a few objects. We're going to be using this several times throughout this project. All you have to do is click on the circle and hold Shift and then click on the rectangle so both of them are selected. Then click on your Unite tool and you can see how we just united them. All right, that is it for the basic portion of starting your cardboard box cutout.